Hi everyone. Today we'll show you how to create stunning product images on your WooCommerce single product pages using Essential Block. Let's get started. Make sure you have installed and activated Essential Blocks and created a store with WooCommerce. Let's first enable the Product Images block. Go to your Essential Blocks dashboard, then Blocks, find the Product Images block and toggle it on to Enable. Navigate to Appearance then Editor. Select Templates then WooCommerce and then choose Single Product Template. Here, click the plus icon where you want to add the block, search for the Product Images block and insert it. Now, let's customize the block. From the General tab, you can choose the Product Images Gallery position. Adjust the column gap and spacing between the images to create a layout you like. Moving on to the Style tab. From there, update the block border. Select a border style from the drop-down, add border color, change the border width and radius. For the hover effect, select a border style from the drop-down, change the border width, radius and set the border transition. Also, you can apply box shadow by adding color. Set the horizontal and vertical offset as well as customize the gallery arrows for a polished look. From the Advanced tab, you can fine-tune the block's appearance and behavior. Adjust margins, padding, background color, hover settings and more. Then hit on Save to apply changes to your template. Let's preview how your customized product images will be displayed. That's how easy it is to design product images using Essential Blocks. Thanks for watching and happy customizing. Subscribe to watch more tutorials like this.